Imagine increasing your YouTube earnings exponentially using the power of artificial intelligence. That's not science fiction. It's here and now, with YouTube's new AI tools. These tools are the game changers, the revolutionaries, designed to optimize and enhance your YouTube experience. They work tirelessly, sifting through vast amounts of data, learning and improving with each interaction. They can predict trends, optimize your content, and connect you with your ideal audience. Understanding and utilizing these AI tools effectively can skyrocket your earnings and boost your channel's reach and engagement. They can transform your YouTube journey, taking you from just another creator to a thriving, successful digital entrepreneur. The potential of these tools is immense. It's like having a super-powered assistant working 24/7, dedicated to making your channel a success. So why wait? It's time to embrace the future of YouTube. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step guide to harness the power of YouTube's AI tools. YouTube's AI tools are not just another tech buzzwords. They are game-changing tools that can catapult your YouTube earnings to new heights. But what exactly are these tools and how do they work? Let's delve into the nitty-gritty. The YouTube AI tools, in their essence, are digital assistants that make use of advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to streamline your content creation process and maximize viewer engagement. There are several AI tools offered by YouTube, each with a unique function and a shared goal of boosting your channel's performance. First up is the Video Performance AI. This tool analyzes your channel's past performance and viewer behavior to predict what kind of content your audience will love. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what videos to make next. Next, we have the Thumbnail AI. Ever wondered what makes a thumbnail click-worthy? This tool has the answer. It uses machine learning to analyze successful thumbnails and provide suggestions to make yours stand out in the sea of videos. Then there's the Playlist AI. This tool helps you group your videos into playlists that appeal to your viewers' tastes. It analyzes viewing patterns and suggests the perfect sequence that keeps viewers hooked from one video to another. The Comment Moderation AI is a lifesaver for those who want to maintain a positive and respectful community. It uses natural language processing to filter out inappropriate comments, ensuring a safe space for your viewers to interact. And finally, the Recommendation AI. This is the powerhouse that drives YouTube's infamous Up Next feature. It analyzes complex viewer data to recommend your videos to the right audience at the right time. All these tools work in harmony to create a personalized viewing experience for your audience, which in turn increases viewer engagement, retention, and ultimately, your earnings. They help you understand your audience better, fine-tune your content strategy, and optimize your channel for growth. Now that you understand these tools, you're ready to learn how to use them effectively. Navigating new technology may seem daunting, but worry not. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to using YouTube's AI tools. Let's start with the basics, accessing these tools. You can find the AI tools in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Once there, look for the Analytics tab on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you'll find a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll spot the Advanced mode. Clicking on this will bring up a host of AI features you can use to optimize your channel. Now let's delve into some of these tools. The first one we're going to look at is the Audience Retention tool. This tool uses AI to analyze when and why viewers are leaving your videos. It's a fantastic tool for understanding viewer behavior and making necessary content adjustments. The tool provides a graph that shows a timeline of your video and the percentage of viewers who continued watching at each point. Next up is the Impression Click-Through Rate tool. This tool helps you understand the effectiveness of your video thumbnails and titles. It shows you how many people saw your video thumbnail and how many clicked on it. If your click-through rate is low, it might be time to rethink your thumbnails and titles to make them more appealing. The third tool we're going to explore is the Traffic Source tool. This tool breaks down where your viewers are coming from, whether it's from YouTube search, suggested videos, or external sources like social media. Understanding where your audience is coming from can help you tailor your content to attract more viewers from these sources. Lastly, we have the Real-Time Activity tool. This tool shows you the number of views you're getting in real time. It helps you identify which videos are performing well and which ones aren't, allowing you to adjust your content strategy accordingly. Now let's talk about setting up these tools for optimal results. Each tool has different settings that you can customize according to your needs. For instance, the Audience Retention tool allows you to choose the date range for the data you want to analyze. The Impression Click-Through Rate tool lets you compare the performance of different videos, and the traffic source tool lets you filter the data by geography, viewer age, and more. The key is to experiment with these settings and see what works best for your channel. Remember, these tools are there to help you understand your audience better and create more engaging content. They're not a magic bullet, but with careful analysis and thoughtful adjustments, they can significantly boost your channel's performance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using YouTube's AI tools. Don't be afraid to dive in and start experimenting. The more you use these tools, the more familiar you'll become with them, and the better your results will be. With these steps, you are now equipped to use YouTube's AI tools and boost your earnings. The journey doesn't end here. The future of YouTube and AI holds even more possibilities. Let's envision a not-so-distant future where YouTube AI tools evolve beyond our imaginations. Picture a world where these tools become your virtual assistants, helping you to create, edit, and promote your content with precision and flair. Imagine AI tools that could predict trending topics, even before they become mainstream, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Visualize an AI that could analyze and understand your unique style and suggest personalized content ideas that resonate with your audience. Consider the potential of AI tools that could fine-tune your video SEO, ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the right time. YouTube's AI could even evolve to provide real-time feedback on your content, helping you to improve and refine your craft on the go. The future is exciting with YouTube's AI. The question is, are you ready to be a part of it? You've learned about the potential of YouTube's AI tools and how to use them, but the learning doesn't stop here. The world of YouTube is vast and ever-changing. Thrive in this exciting landscape by continuously learning and experimenting with these tools. Maximize your earnings by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Don't sit back, embrace the future, and take charge of your YouTube journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights to increase your YouTube earnings. Remember, the future is in your hands.